I'm Nick Cankar, owner and coach at Wakeboard Naples and Munson Team Athlete. These are line tension muscle memory steps. They're designed to teach you the concept of the rope. If you do these right, you will get up. Pull your rider to the back of the boat. Make sure their arms are all the way straight and their legs are all the way bent to their chest. Make them into a ball and you're just gonna roll them forward out of that ball.
Make sure you tell your rider not to stand up and just tilt forward and reach towards the boat.
That ain't it. Don't ever come all the way up, just stay low.
Lower your rider up and down. Let them bend their knees.
Make sure the driver goes extra slow to mimic the back of the boat.
Be sure when you're driving for a new rider that you pull them up very, very slow. A speed of 5 or 6 miles an hour is sufficient to pull a 200-pound person out of the water. You don't accelerate any more than this until you see that they're above the board and their arms are straight.